Hey guys, happy Thursday. Becky Thames here live for the Drive at 5. And today I want to ask you a question. Do you ever go to work and feel like you're in a prison? You know, I work with a lot of people, and even maybe you are like, oh my gosh, it's Monday, I have to go to work again. Well, what if you actually went to work and you enjoyed going to work? I actually have a job that I absolutely love going to, and I want you to look. It has like barbed wire. Can you see that? Like double fenced barbed wire in here. Hi Val, hi Gladys, thanks for joining. So a lot of people would be like, oh my gosh, Becky, it's like you're in prison. But really, it's high security. And I don't know if you could see me, but I have like waterfront right there. And sometimes, because I'm here in the South Carolina, the gators come out, and it's actually a pretty warm day today. And so the gators will be out sunbathing, so I'll get to see them. But they're not out yet, but they will be when spring comes. But listen, I had a quick question for you. Do you want to learn how you can make some money, like lots of money, without talking to people? You know, I absolutely love jumping on here and talking to you every day. And you know, in network marketing, a lot of people actually hate talking to people. But what if I could show you a way that you can make money in the comfort of your own home and you don't have to talk to one single person? So if you would like to learn how to make some money from home without talking to anybody, put a 1 in the comments. And I actually have to go now because I have safety training, and you know, safety first. It's like in 5 minutes. Hi Sasha, thanks for joining from the UK. It's like in 5 minutes, but I just wanted to jump on here and give a shout out to the ones that absolutely love going to work every day like I do. You have a passion for what you do, you love the company that you work for and the boss, and you can figure out how to work your business, you know, in the nooks and crannies of your day. Okay, so now I only have 4 minutes to get to my safety training, so I'll see you all tonight on the Drive at 5. This was just a little bonus. Hope you all have an amazing day. Bye.